my channel. I am Abena, and today you're welcome to my channel. So if you're new here, thank you so much for tuning in. You're welcome to my channel. So today I'm just doing a review on an eyeshadow I bought from Aliexpress. I bought it, I think, $3.46, and they shipped it to my country. So today I just want to show you how this eyeshadow works. So come with me and let's get straight to the video. Okay, let's go. Guys, I'm done with my eyebrow already. I did it off camera. So the next step, I'll be applying my concealer to my eyeshadow. It's Glitz Glam eyeshadow from Beauty Glazed. This is the eyeshadow. This is how it looks like. So today this is what I'll be using. I just want to know my impression about this eyeshadow. It looks good, but I just have to try to know whether it's the best or not. So I'll try with this one. Not bad. Okay. Not all that bad. Going for my concealer. I'll start with my glitter. I'll be using this. I'll apply this also, this one. Here. The next step is my eyeliner. I've applied some lashes off camera, so the next step I'll be applying my primer. So the next step is my foundation. I'll be using NYX. So the next one is my powder. So I'm done with my powder. So the next I'll be applying my bronzer from Milani. The next is my lip liner. So the next is my lipstick from Milani. Naked 2 lip gloss. So the next is my setting spray from Flawless Ivy. Ooh. So this is the final look on my eyeshadow from Aliexpress. Let me know what you think, but for me, I think it's the best. It's not best, it's good. I don't know of you, so let me know what you think. And guys, like this video, comment, share this video with your friends, and I'll see you guys next time. Okay, peace out.